Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga for You. I'm Kristen and I'll guide you through a heart opening sequence today. It's a sequence that my friend Andrea Brown taught me and that we practice in community yoga. So I hope you enjoy the sequence and the practice, and I hope you benefit from the practice. So let's go ahead and just start by settling in to our body and settling into our breath, finding a relaxed seated position, maybe closing your eyes so you can link into the breath, bringing awareness to the breath, noticing the feel of the inhale and the feel of the exhale. Taking a few breaths here, settling into the body and settling into the breath. And when you're ready, I invite you to gently start moving your shoulders, maybe shrugging them up into the ears, and then releasing the shoulders down. Maybe shrugging the shoulders up again on an inhale, and then releasing on an exhale. One more time, shrugging the shoulders up, and then releasing on an exhale. This time, let's roll the shoulders up and back and down. And on an inhale, the shoulders come up, back, and down. Feeling that stretch through the back. And one more time, the shoulders come up, back, and down. And let's reverse it. So the shoulders come up, forward, and down. Inhaling the shoulders up and forward. Inhaling up and forward. And let's turn this into a little bit of a cat-cow. So when we roll our shoulders back this time, let's move our bellies towards our thighs and look towards the sky. And then on the exhale, we can roll the shoulders forward, bring our chin to our chest, tuck the tailbone, arch the back, and we come into a cat pose. So rolling the shoulders back, we'll move through cow, the belly hammocks onto the thighs. And then rolling the shoulders forward, we'll tuck the tailbone and tuck the chin and come into cat. Moving through cow on an inhale. And through cat on an exhale. Big inhale through cow and a big exhale. And then coming to neutral. We'll just take a couple breaths here, connecting with the breath. And then when you're ready, we're just going to start twisting a little by sculling our hands as if we're sculling the water in front of us. Moving the hands back and forth, feeling the movement through the middle of the body and the shoulders. Making beautiful movements here. And if you want, you can bring the right hand to the left and then the left hand to the right shoulder and just kind of move through these movements. Allowing the body to move and relax and breathing. And then maybe coming back to that sculling water. And then coming through neutral. So we're going to do a lot of heart opening, heart energy movements. Again, like I mentioned, my friend Andrea taught We'll start by bringing the right hand out and it crosses the body. The back of the hand is towards the body, the palm faces out, and then we flip the palm up and bring the hand back to the thigh. So we'll do the same with the left. The arm swings out and around, crosses the body, and then you just bring that energy right to the center of your body. So sweeping that arm around, crossing the body, and then bringing that energy in. So big sweep with the left hand, and then moving it towards you. Again, the right hand crosses the body, and then comes through center, and the left hand crosses the body and comes through center. One more time with the right, and then one more time with the left. And this time we'll bring both hands out. So it's a little bit of a swimming motion. So the hands come out and around, and they meet with the palms together. And then the palms flip up, and then we bring that energy towards us. So we stretch the arms out wide, bring that belly onto the thighs, and then flip the palms, and then just bring that energy right to the center. Inhaling the arms out and wide, opening the palms. Exhaling in. Inhaling the arms out. Exhaling the energy towards the body. Inhaling one more time. Exhale. And just taking a breath here. And we'll go ahead and do our lotus movements. So you can make your hands into this diamond shape or lotus shape by bringing the index fingers together and the thumbs together. Just resting on your lap, taking a few breaths here. And we're gonna open the arms wide, bring those fingers together, and then press the energy down towards the earth. And we're gonna inhale up towards the heart, and then exhale out to the world. Inhaling, the fingertips come down, and then a big exhale when the palms meet in the middle. So inhaling, the arms come wide and up again. The index and thumbs meet, and then we press that energy down to the earth, and then we raise it to the heart, pushing it out into the world. Fingertips come down on an inhale, and then a big exhale at the end. Inhaling again, the arms come up, the fingertips meet, making that lotus. Exhale, pushing that energy down to the earth. Inhaling, it rises to the heart. Exhale, bringing it out to the world. Fingertips come down, and then exhale. Last time. Inhaling, the arms wide and up. Bringing those hands down towards the earth. Inhaling up to heart center. Exhaling out to the world. Bringing those fingertips down on an inhale. And then just resting on an exhale. And maybe just taking a few extra breaths here to feel the effects of that stretching. And then when you're ready, we're going to do a little bit of a tapping practice, also taught by my friend Andrea. So we're going to just bring that left hand so that the palm faces forward. And with our right hand, we're just going to gently tap up the forearm. So tapping up the forearm and into the heart. And then over to the shoulder and down. And then tapping back up. And then maybe tapping your clavicle and tapping back all the way down. Tapping back up again. Last time, maybe towards the clavicle, down the shoulder, and the front of the arm. So let's switch sides. So the right hand is facing out, the palm faces, and with the left hand, you make a little fist and you just tap up the body. Maybe tapping on the clavicle, coming into the sternum, back out, turning that hand the other direction, and coming up maybe 2 more times. tapping up, in, and then back down. Last time, tapping up, in towards the heart, and then tapping down. And then we'll just go ahead and wash the chi, letting those shoulders relax. And we'll do a little bit of a wrist massage. So bringing your left hand out facing the front, we'll just use our thumb to press into that area between the bones in our forearms. Just making circular motions there, coming into the hand, and then making circular motions into the hand. Just getting a little massage there, maybe coming through to the spaces in between the fingers, and just pressing into the hand. So we'll do the other side too. So bringing that right arm out, massaging into the wrist area, this heart line, this line to the heart, and then making circular motions in the palm of the hand. Maybe coming through in between the fingers. Giving yourself a little massage here. And again, we'll just go ahead and wash that chi. So just releasing the fingers, releasing the shoulders. And then when you're ready, bringing one hand up to the sky, looking at the right hand, and just letting that left hand just drop. Reaching the right arm to the sky, and the left hand reaches to the earth. And then just bringing that back to center. So we'll switch. So the left hand comes up towards the sky, looking at that left hand, and then the right arm drops to the earth, and we just stretch through the body, looking up towards the sky. Coming through center. We'll do one more time each side. The right arm comes up, the left arm drops to the, reaches to the ground, and you just spread through center. Bringing both hands on the lap. The left hand rises to the sky. The right hand drops. And you just gaze up at that left hand. Breathing here, connecting with the breath. Bringing both hands to center. We'll do a little bit of a side stretch. So bringing that right hand up just like we did before, but this time the left hand goes to the side and we just stretch over to the left. Connecting with your breath here, breathing into the stretch. Letting the breath be your anchor. And then rising to the sky. We'll drop that right hand down and then just sweep that left arm to the sky. The right hand can come to the waist, and then we just lean to the right. Coming through center, we'll do that again. Right hand comes up, left hand comes to the waist, and we just lean, enjoying this gentle stretch. And then switching sides. The left hand comes up, the right hand comes to the waist, and we'll lean to the right. And then when you're ready, just coming through center. And let's go ahead and bring our arms out like a T. We'll bring that right hand to the left shoulder, and the left hand comes to the right shoulder. And we're just gonna give ourselves a little hug. So you can kind of swiggle into that hug, or you can rock side to side, whatever feels good to you. Maybe doing a little bit of a figure 8. And then we'll reach out again. This time the left hand comes in first, and then the right hand. And maybe you want to reach those elbows to the sky. Give yourself a little bit of back bend stretch. And then coming through center. If it feels good to you, you can bring your hands into prayer position in front of the heart, this gesture of gratitude. I just want to offer all the love in me. May it reach out into the love in you. Namaste.